Good afternoon. I am Yogesh Dubey from Jabalpur. I am on my plot where I am constructing a new house, a dream house for my family's future. In this house, we have taken lot of support from Make My House, especially in designing the house. We had given them all the requirements as per our need, and they have given various options of drawing, and we have selected the best one. On that basis, they have given further drawings of structure. They have given us the elevation, and here on they will continue to support us for working drawings, plumbing, drainage, BOQ, material. So it is really a very, very professional service, and it helps you a lot in making your house, and especially in means deciding the budget and everything. On that basis, you can do lot of planning. And in this work, Mr. Jackie, who was supporting us all the time, he was very active, and promptly he was responding to all our requirements, and that is really a very helpful thing for us, as timely we got all the drawings as well as the required support, so we could start our construction on time. And today also he called me and asked me if we need any more help, and especially he asked me to prepare a video for structure, so that he can show the structure video to the structure team, and if there is any means improvement required or any correction required at this stage, that can be done. So thank you very much, Jackie ji. You are really kind enough and good enough for us to provide all these services and coordinate between various teams, drawing team, structure team, elevation team. So really it's a lot of thanks to you and your team for giving us a good professional support in structuring a house and starting construction on time. Thank you very much.